Hello, this is David with InvestorsHangout.com. We're going to be doing a quick introduction to the stock message boards over here on Investors Hangout. For example, today I'm going to be using GNBT. So you're going to go up to the top right hand corner and type in your ticker that you're going to be looking for and hit enter. And the search results going to pull up the board right here. If you click on that board, you're going to see a stock message board at the top. You're going to have a chart. You get a board moderators, the established date for the board when the board was created, the last post date, board marks, post today, and board views. You have a stock chart right here showing the last price, volume, the general information on how the stock's performing for the day. And you can actually go back for 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 years, and 10 years. By default, it is on today. If you click show board information, it's going to show you all the information on the stock. Again, one easy place to find all the information that you're looking for. Like I said, this one's going to be GNBT. So you're going to have everything from short sales to trading info, earnings, financials. And we also have all that information down here. You click on company profile, that's going to pull up the company's information about the company profile, the time and sales. This is a popular tool that everybody uses. It's going to show you the time and price and volume for the stock with historical data. So you can go back and literally look at every single individual trade, time and sales, like I said, recent news, filings, financials, and buy rating, all available completely free over here on Investors Hangout. This is going to be just a basic to get started. If you want to post on the board, you click create new post. You can type your message here and then click create. That will post your message on that board. If you'd like to reply off a post, you click on a post and then click public reply if you'd like to public reply onto the board, or private reply to send that user a message about that post. Down here, you're going to see view all posts. Click on that. That's going to show you all of the recent posts on this board all in one instead of each individual post one by one on the board. Also board mark. So if you follow the stock, you're going to want to click board mark. And then when you come to Investors Hangout, all you have to do is go to your favorites and then bam, it's right there. Go ahead and load it. So like I said, this is just a quick intro into the stock message boards over here on Investors Hangout. And don't forget to join. It's completely free. You're going to have unlimited posts and messages on the board and all of this data completely free. Again, InvestorsHangout.com.